Hey, what's good, everybody? Chef Courtney here, Chefing with Courtney. Welcome back. Got a special treat for you today. We're going to make some Mississippi sliders. All right, so we're going to take a quick break, and I'll be right back, and we'll get to chefing. Hey guys, welcome back. Like I said, we got a special treat for you today. We're going to make some Mississippi sliders. I love sandwiches, so this is going to be real fun, real short, real easy, and actually you can do this, go in any direction you want. So just a little bit about the ingredients. We got some chopped bacon here. We got some cream cheese. We got some uncured Black Forest ham. We got some honey glazed ham. Both are uncured. We got some butter, some Dukes Mayonnaise. Okay, about 2 cups of cheddar cheese, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper. I'll put all the ingredients in the comments. Some hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, W sauce. We got some sour cream and some minced green onions. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start making this this pimento cheese. All right. So right now I'm just going to put in the cream cheese and make sure that it is softened. Makes it easier to work with. Definitely don't want to work with cream cheese that's been coming straight from the fridge. So we're looking at about 8 ounces of cream cheese. Just going to dump it in the bowl. Okay, and from here we're just going to put our ingredients in. We're putting in our cheddar cheese. All right, putting in our sour cream. Putting in our green onions. Dukes Mayonnaise. Cup of mayonnaise. A little bit of garlic powder. Some smoky paprika just for color. All right, about a teaspoon of Worcestershire W sauce. Can't say that word. Put in my black pepper here. A little bit of hot sauce. About a tablespoon of hot sauce. Any kind of hot sauce you want to use. Doesn't really matter. All right, and just a little bit of kosher salt. All right, here's what's next, guys. Now what we're gonna do is gonna mix this all together, and then we're gonna set this to the side. And last but not least, our bacon. All right, so we're gonna mix it up really, really good here, because this is pimento cheese, so it's one of my favorites, and also it's a southern type of dish, type of cheese, pimento cheese. Very easy to make. Just make sure you mix it in real good. The mayonnaise, sour cream, and everything like that. And this is going to go in on the sandwich, on the slider. All right. And let me give it a quick taste. Remember, always taste your food. I want to see what it tastes like. Really good. Love pimento cheese. All right. Okay, we're gonna set this aside. Let that sit. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and brown, put some color on this ham real quick. All right, excuse me while I clear out. So I gotta have room to cook. So actually I need that cutting board. Okay, just take these hams. All right, and all we're gonna do, cut it in half. That's it. Okay, simple. Or you can leave it whole, doesn't matter. All right. Okay, just gonna get a skillet. And like I said, we're just going to brown the ham a little bit. Caramelize it a little bit. All right. Just get something to put this ham in. Wash my hands real quick. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna put this ham in here. Just gonna work with it for a few seconds here. You know, it's really thin, so it doesn't need to be in here that long. But all we're doing is just kind of caramelizing it a little bit. Kind of give it some color. If you never had a Mississippi slider, you do not know what you're missing. I love sandwiches. Love a good sandwich. Let's grab some tongs real quick. Get that brown. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish browning this ham. When I get back, we're gonna get these buns started, buttering them up, get them toasted on one side, and then we're gonna build this Mississippi slider. Be right back with you. Okay, welcome back guys. So I finally got my meat done. All right, just put a little color onto it, caramelize the edges. That kind of brings out the natural sugars of the ham. All right, we got our pimento cheese done. And right now I'm just toasting a couple of these slider rolls. You can get whatever kind you want. I happen to have the Pepperidge Farm brand. So basically, all I'm doing is I'm just kind of buttering the bread. All right, not that much butter, but let's get a little butter on here. Spread it. Put it here on the flat top. Kind of toast them a little bit. And you may have to just press them down to make sure that the whole surface area of the bun has contact with the heat so that you get a nice even toasting on the bread. All right. Okay, it shouldn't take more than a few seconds actually, depending on how high your heat is. Get your bread nice and brown, warm it up. All right. So I'll make a couple for you guys just so you know how we build this thing. Really easy. All right, guys, I'm going to take a quick break. When we come right back, I'll build these sandwiches and show you how to do this. Okay, welcome back, guys. So now we get to the end, the best part of it. I'm going to show you how to build these sandwiches, and then I'm going to eat it. All right, so here we go. First thing we want to do, just going to put a little bit of this pimento cheese on here. Okay. We're going to take a little bit of ham, that caramelized, delicious, uncured ham. I kind of like my sandwiches big, so. Then we're going to take the top part, do the same thing. Just put a little bit of pimento on there. That's it. Just rinse and repeat. Pimento. Ham. Go back to the top. Some more pimento cheese on here. Okay, look at that. Mississippi Sliderz. Too easy. All right. Okay, guys, let's do a taste test. See how this tastes. All right. Really good. Nice alternative to a regular burger slider. Really creamy with the pimento cheese, the caramelization, and the saltiness from the ham. A little bit of sweetness when you caramelize it, really comes out real well. You know, then you got the toasted bun with the crispiness on the outside for texture. So this is really good. So yeah, another chef and banger. All right, recipe will be in the comments. Go ahead and make it. You can do it any way you want to do. You want to add pickles, you can add jalapenos, you can put bacon, or you can even do a burger with the ham on it. Sky's the limit. All right, so I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. If you make it, let me know how you did. Let me know if there's any variations of it. All right, thanks again for joining me. I'll see you on the next show. Have a good night.